Hello, my name's Terry Brightwater. I'm a holistic life coach and quantum space clearer for my business, Inspirational Living. And this is the Inner Space vlog. And I'm here today on Pennard Beach in South Wales, which is really beautiful. It's nice and wild here. And this week's evolutionary theme, wave that's going through our consciousness, our unconsciousness, is all about the authentic response to our reactions in ourselves and our reactions in others. So it's quite a powerful wave that I've noticed at the end of last week and this week, but it's a very beautiful wave as well, and it carries on very nicely from last week's wave, which is all about the intuitive heart, because our responsive self, that ability to respond, comes from our intuitive heart. And when we're in a conscious relationship with our intuitive heart, it makes it much easier to be able to respond to our own instinctive, fearful reactions in ourselves and those outside of ourselves as well. So as I kind of discovered myself, I mean, I've been practicing this for some years, but it feels like that practice has been heightened. You know, there's a need to heighten that practice, and both myself and my clients, we felt kind of stretched in our response, in terms of being able to hold a responsive place for some quite strong reactions that have been going on in our emotional and physical bodies, in terms of down the bottom of the emotional scale of beingness, feeling the rage and the anger and shame or whatever it is, right down the bottom there. And that requires us to really stretch ourselves in our communication and cooperation within ourselves, in those inner edges in us where intuition meets instinct, where fear meets intuitive love, where reaction meets response. What was the other one? Where panic meets courage, and that sort of ties in nicely to vlog 23. This is vlog 26. Vlog 23 a couple of weeks ago was a courage to change, and one of the things about that quality courage is that it's a combination of a reaction, a reactive emotion, which is rage, and the heart, which is the core. So you end up with a really dynamic quality of courage, and that's what I've really noticed in myself and with my clients, is that when you respond to a reaction in yourself or outside of yourself, it does give you that ability, if you really actively, consciously engage with that reaction, sort of responsively, it does give you that ability to harvest that adrenalized emotional energy that's been created in your reaction. And courage is a perfect example of that. You can use that rage through the heart and move forward into a situation, inwardly or outwardly in yourself, to face that with courage, that gives you the energy and gives you the openness, the open-heartedness to engage in a dynamic way. So, really clear that our instinctive self is not bad. In fact, it's like anything that's sort of animal or kind of earthy. It can be nourishing if we engage with it in a conscious, responsible, nurturing way, with compassion for ourselves and others. And we can harvest, quite a lot of energy from our instinctive selves with heart. So I find that very encouraging and inspiring to practice more consciously, more openly your your ability to respond to a reaction yourself and others, because I really do feel that it is the key to changing our own lives and actually the world itself into a more peaceful, nurturing, compassionate place to live and be. So the affirmation this week is: I'm now actively responding to myself and life as I am bathed in my intuitive light. I'm now actively responding to myself and life as I'm bathed in my intuitive light. So much love and many blessings on your practicing with your responsiveness to your reactions, and much love and many blessings on your inner space, and I look forward to seeing you next week. And also you can check out vlog number 2, which was made back in February, and that vlog is named Responsibility, Our Ability to Respond, which will give you a greater insight into responsiveness.